Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava phone display brightness and full setting. So how to use display brightness setting on lava phone in this video friends I will show you. I will tell you guys. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on display setting. After on display setting friends, first you can on dark mode from here, and friends already you have dark mode setting. So once you can off from here your dark mode, you can on light mode. And second option, adaptive brightness. So once you want to on this adaptive brightness, so you can on after on once your phone brightness will increase and decrease automatic on your lava phone. So I will off it. Once you want to use night light, so once you can on your night light setting, and once you can increase and decrease this night light brightness, skin color temperature on your lava phone. So guys, you should on your night light at night when you operate your phone at night. So friends, you should on it. After on friends, you can look at on your screen and read easily. So friends, wallpaper setting is here. Friends, you want to change, you want to set wallpaper on your lava phone, friends, you can set from here. Friends, charging animation, friends, you want to set this classic charging animation. Friends, you can see broken screen warning. Do you like this charging animation? Friends, you can set on your lava phone. Friends, you want to show your network speed, so you can show friends your network speed from here. So we will off it. Then screen timeout setting is here. Friends, we can change screen timeout on lava phone. Friends, you want to change 15 second, 30 second, 1 2 5 10 and 30 minutes, so you can change from here. Friends, you want to use auto rotate. Friends, you can on auto rotate, and friends, you can rotate your screen. So example guys, I will on Google app, and friends, you can see we can rotate our screen. So why we call it auto rotate? So like that friends, we can use auto rotate setting. So friends, we will off. Friends, you want to change font size, so friends, you can increase and decrease your font size from here friends. As you can see, large and larger size, so we will set into default size. And display size, friends, you want to change on your lava font, friends, you can change display size also. Friends, screen refresh rate, friends, you want to change into high, so you can change into high screen refresh rate. And you want to set into 60 Hz, so you can set from here. Friends, screen color mode you want to change, there are friends three modes, so you can change your screen color mode from here. Friends, last is friends, you want to hide friends your top area, so when you can hide this top area, means you can hide your notch and you can unhide from here. So like that friends, you can use display brightness setting on your lava phone. So I hope friends you understood how to use display brightness setting. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now you have any doubt related to friends your lava phone setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching.